Hey guys, it's Rainbow Spirit here, and today I'm just showing you my new channel right here, Rainbow Turtle, and yeah, if any of you could send me like a banner for the background, I think you probably know what that is, and then like the banner that goes behind the profile picture and the name, and send me a profile picture. This is really the only picture I had of an animal. Oh, I have a lot more pictures of animals, but they were all like really bad, and so I would like someone to send me a rainbow turtle for my email. I will link my email in the description box below so you can contact me, and I will link this channel in the description below so you guys can subscribe to it, because I'm going to post the videos on here now, and I have a computer. I'm going to get a microphone, and I'm just going to be more professional at this because I want to do this when I grow up, and I have faith that like this is hard to explain, but like if you don't love what you're doing, then you're not going to be successful in it. So like everyone starts YouTube like, oh, I'm going to make so much money, blah blah blah. No, you're not going to make so much money because you're doing it for the money. I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it to entertain. Wait. I'm doing it to entertain. Creepy much, SpongeBob? Creepy much? Well, yeah, I'm doing it so people can be entertained because I love entertaining people. So, yeah. Right, SpongeBob? He loves entertaining. I can't do his voice. Bah! Bah! So, yeah. So today that was just really it, but, in my Roblox account, I'm just going to show you guys real quick my Roblox account. Google this. Yeah, and you're going to see that is this account's name because I didn't know that. I mean, I could get a new account, but I'll see. But what's this mean? I don't know. But this is my name, Rainbow Spirit. And I have 74 friends right now, but I might delete them all because I'm gonna be a YouTuber, and who knows, I might get big. Probably not though. Yeah, so if you guys ever want to collab with me to get yourself more popular, if I have more fans, or if I want to get myself more popular, I'll contact you. But yeah, this is not a very long video. I just wanted to like explain some stuff, and I didn't post for a while because of my life situation. I won't get into all that cringe and stuff, so you guys don't have to suffer. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, Rainbow Spirit, not this channel. I mean Rainbow Turtle. And I will link that down in the description. I will leave my email down in the description so you can contact me if you want to put a banner up or be featured in a video. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.